In today's video, we are going to show you how to disable JavaScript in Mozilla Firefox. This can be useful for testing, troubleshooting, or improving privacy. But let me tell you that there are a lot of websites may not work properly without JavaScript. Let's begin. Now open Firefox and then go to the address bar at the top and type in about config and press enter. Now here you will see a warning message that says something like proceed with caution. Don't worry, this is normal. Click the button that says accept the risk and continue. Now once you are on the configuration page, click the search bar at the top and type in JavaScript.enabled. And as you can see, there is like suggestion on the drop down menu. Now on the right side, simply toggle the switch so the value changes from true to false. Okay, so basically that's it. It's super easy, it's super simple. JavaScript is now disabled in Firefox. Now all I have to do is go ahead and reload, and any open web pages or open a new tab to see the effects. For example, I am going to click our YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed already, you might want to do that so you will get notifications to our latest content. And basically that's it on how to disable JavaScript in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.